Department of Chemical Engineering, enrolled in its BTech course. I am from Kolkata. I am a boarder of Nehru Hall of Residence. I am contesting for the post of Vice President, Technology Students Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur, for the academic session 2017-2018.
Any questions on the introduction?
The Vice President is the representative of the students in all the activities where their interests are involved. Voicing their concerns and grievances, the Vice President serves as an important link between the institute administration and the student community. The Vice President must be a prolific communicator, a charismatic leader, and an efficient team player. During my course of stay at IIT Kharagpur, I have been involved in a plethora of activities, demonstrating my leadership abilities, team playing skills, and my commitment in each one of them. I have been an integral part of Springfest of IIT Kharagpur for the past 3 years. In my first year as an associate member of the fest, I was responsible for publicizing the fest extensively in West Bengal, achieving a marked increase in participation by 39%. Printed in renowned newspapers in Bihar, which included the likes of the Dainik Jagran and the Prabhat Khabar. In my second year as a core organizing team member, I extensively contributed to the 3 major facets of the fest, namely event management, publicity, and sponsorship. On the sponsorship front, I successfully garnered funds amounting to rupees 4.09 lakhs and corporate deals. I spearheaded the sponsorship drive in Mumbai, which led to a 17% increase in the cash sponsorship from that region. On the publicity front, I was nominated to co-lead the associate member team, instrumental in publicizing the fest all across the country, leading to a 13% in the overall participation. On the events front, I was responsible for the pre-fest planning of 3 events in the literary genre: a Mighty Pen, India Calling, and National Level Debate. I conceptualized and spearheaded the conduction of the Freshers event of Springfest 2016, which witnessed a record participation of 795 I also conducted the prelims of Shuffle, Shake a Leg, and SF Idol in Mumbai in the month of October 2016. In my third year as an event head, I, along with my team, redrafted and executed 72 events, 3 workshops, and 2 guest lectures. Actualizing the vision for the fest, I introduced a new genre, Food Fest, by the winner of MasterChef India Season 5, The event witnessed the participation of more than 400 people. As part of this genre, I conceptualized a cooking competition, Too Many Cooks, and arranged demonstrations and workshops by 3 eminent chefs. I increased the outreach of Wildfire, Springfest's flagship rock band competition, by conducting international prelims for the first time in the city of Kathmandu, Nepal. I restructured the film festival of Springfest, introducing a new event and taking 2 events online, which resulted in a 31% increase in participation over the previous year. Apart from this, I have brought in associations worth rupees 55 lakhs, which include the likes of the Telegraph, MTV, and the Shankar Mahadevan Academy. During the fest, I co-led a team of 4 core organizing team members, 6 associate members, and 20 crew members to successfully accommodate 2,560 outstation participants of Springfest 2017. In addition to commitments with Springfest, I have also actively participated in numerous inter-all events under the umbrella of Technology Students Gymkhana. In my second year, as part of Nehru Hall of Residence, in open IT thematics, gold in inter-all English thematics, silver in inter-all case study, silver in inter-all basketball, and bronze in inter-all choreography. In my third year, I was part of the gold-winning inter-all Hindi thematics team, gold-winning inter-all Bengali thematics team, bronze-winning inter-all choreography team, and the campaigns team. My efficient time management skills are highlighted from the fact that I am able to maintain a department rank 2 among all the Department of Chemical Engineering with a cumulative grade point average of 8.99. I did a summer internship as a sponsored student at the Tokyo Institute of Technology, Japan. I have been invited to present my work on microfluidic classification at the 10th World Congress of Chemical Engineering to be held in Barcelona, Spain in October 2017. In addition to this, I did an internship at the corporate economic cell of Aditya Birla Group in the winters of 2016. Moreover, I have received a summer internship offer from Hindustan Unilever Limited, internship opportunities on campus. My academic prowess is further demonstrated from the fact that I was the All India topper of the Indian Students Examinations 2014 with an aggregate of 99.25%. Thus, the overall experience and outlook developed during my school life and in the first year of my stay at IIT Kharagpur actually makes it clear that if elected as Vice President, Technology Students Gymkhana, I will work for the welfare of the student community of IIT Kharagpur with efficiency, dedication, and utmost sincerity.
Can you describe your work on Springfest in the past 3 years and what are the initiatives you took?
As I mentioned in my statement of purpose, in my first year, I was an associate member of the fest and was responsible for extensively publicizing the fest in West Bengal, achieving a marked increase in participation by 39%. I also got 5 media articles printed in renowned newspapers in Bihar, which included the likes of the Dainik Jagran and the Prabhat Khabar. In my second year, as a core organizing team members, I extensively contributed to the 3 major facets of the fest, namely event management, publicity and sponsorship. On the sponsorship front, I successfully garnered funds amounting to rupees 4.09 lakhs my contributions and corporate deals. I spearheaded the sponsorship drive in Mumbai, which led to a 17% increase in the cash sponsorship from that region. On the publicity front, I was nominated to co-lead the associate member team, instrumental in publicizing the fest all across the country, leading to a 13% increase in the overall participation. On the events front, I was responsible for the pre-fest planning of 3 events in the literary genre, a mighty pen, India Calling and national level debate. I conceptualized and spearheaded the conduction of the Freshers event of Springfest 2016, which witnessed a record participation of 795 freshers. In my third year as an event head, I, along with my team, redrafted and executed 72 events, 3 workshops and 2 guest lectures. Actualizing the vision for the fest, I introduced a new genre of 2 days, under which I organized the guest lecture
request you not to repeat your statement of purpose.
Sir, the Vice President, Technology Students Gymkhana is the ex-officio member of the Student Placement Committee. That is a part of the Career Development Center.
My follow-up is, what are your views on the current CV module which was proposed by CVs?
Sir, I believe that the current CV module which was taken as an initiative of the Career Development Center was a great initiative. It was helpful for all those students who are unskilled in the art of making a good CV. Also, it made the verification process of the broad perspectives mentioned in a CV much easier.
Ayush, I have a question for you. Ayush, I have a question for you. Do you want to answer the question or not? Ayush, I have a question for you.
I'm able to answer only one question. I request only one panelist to answer this.
I would like to ask you. I got to know that you got an F grade in EA. Okay, I like that you have an excellent academic record. At the same time, Students did an event when they went to Gopali village and did social work. And if NSS was the EA, why did you not perform in that and you got an F grade? Can you please answer?
I was never in the National Service Scheme. My EA was NSS swimming. And I got an F grade in NSS swimming because I had a knee ligament injury, because of which I was not able to attend any of the classes in that semester. I believe it was reason enough for getting an F grade. And subsequent semester, I passed EA with a very good grade.
Follow up. Medical procedure. Why did you give the application for this?
Just give me a second. For everyone, please stop taking this for the benefit of your own candidates. Please do not shout at the top of your voice, and please not use abuses.
Okay, Ayush.
Follow up. If you had a medical problem, why didn't you submit the appropriate documents to the institute administration so that it would be cleared? Don't you know the rules and procedures of the institute?
I do happen to know the rules and regulations of the institute. I believe already I mentioned in my statement of purpose that I was in Japan when the results were declared, and hence I was not able to talk to any of the people in the administration. After the statement of purpose, I can definitely send you the number of emails I had sent to the people, but since by that time I was not able to get any response.
Ayush, can you tell me why have you mentioned your ISC performance in your statement of purpose?
Sir, I mentioned my ISC performance in my statement of purpose to show that I strive for excellence in each and every field.
You mentioned there was an interview where you were asked that all the times for the last 4 and 5 years, ISC toppers are women. When you asked how do you feel about that, you said unreal. That shows that you are clearly stereotypical about women. So do you feel
Equal amount of respect for male students and female students. And I said that the feeling of coming at the top of the country was unreal. I believe you cannot understand English language properly mentioned in your statement.
Ayush, you right now said that you are...
Let me answer the previous panelist question, so can you please repeat the question?
Please tell me the motto behind which the government of India has formed institutes like Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur.
Sir, I believe that the answer to your question is a simple fact, which I can definitely Google, and since I have a smartphone, if I require, I'll definitely get to know this after the statement of purpose. I'm going to tell you within the next 5 minutes after the statement of purpose gets here. Simply put, Indian Institute of Technology, sir, please let me, sir, either I speak or you speak, sir. So please let me in order to make sure that all the brilliant minds of the Indian students come here under one platform, learn and help the student community and the entire community of India.
Participation of 795 students, and your LinkedIn says that it had a footfall of more than 800 students. Why you like on public platforms and this is LinkedIn that is linked to the
Please do happen to check my LinkedIn account. It's very clearly mentioned it's 795 800 plus. Sir, please happen to look at right now if you are having any question regarding this. How did you increase the reach of wildfire? Sir, in my tenure as an events head, I increased the outreach of wildfire, Springfest flagship rock band competition by conducting international films for the first time ever in the city of Kathmandu, Nepal.
I'm not talking about the LinkedIn profile that you updated yesterday. Last year, 2 days before your LinkedIn profile, and your CGPA is 9.11. You are repeatedly lying on your LinkedIn profile. Why is that?
When I changed my LinkedIn account, today, as of now, the CGPA which is mentioned on my LinkedIn account is 8.99, and there is no question that can be raised against it. So, sir, 9.11 was the CGPA at the end of the fourth year.
Please let the panelists ask the question. Just give me a minute.
Okay, so you went to Triple M holiday. Ayush, you went to Triple M holiday. So you didn't know the full form of HMC, which I'm so sure you know now. So my question is that what will be your stand if something like fee hike happens again? So we all had to actually pay the extra fee because of something that was past incurred, right? So if something like this happens again this time, in your tenure, what will be your action and stand on it?
First of all, ma'am, HMC stands for Hall Management Center. That being answered, if there is a fee hike that happens in the subsequent years, I will do what is most important to the I'll be the crucial link between the student community of IIT Kharagpur and the institute administration. I will take each and every concern of each and every student, be it undergraduate, postgraduate or research scholar representing student of IIT Kharagpur, present it to the institute administration.
Ayush.
I believe he has a question. Could you ask your question again?
What is your view on the protest that was done by the research scholar in last December?
Sir, I believe that the protest that happened in December was an unfortunate event. I believe that the reason behind it was not proper dissemination of information. If elected as Vice President Technology Students Gymkhana, I will make sure that all information regarding the All Management Center goes to all the students of IIT Kharagpur, be it undergraduate, postgraduate or research scholar students.
If information was not correct, then why they reduced fees? After protest, why they reduced fees? After the protest, why will they reduce the fee? This is the follower.
After, can you be a little louder, please?
After protest, why the fees was reduced?
I believe that was the action that was taken by the current Vice President Technology Students Gymkhana when he conveyed all the problems that were being faced by the students to the administration. The institute happened to give us subsidy and a number of round-offs which were initially being done were removed, at the end of which the fees was decreased. I believe he has a question. Could you ask your question again?
What is your view on the protest that was done by the research scholar in last December?
Sir, I believe that the protest that happened in December was an unfortunate event. I believe that the reason behind it was not proper dissemination of information. If elected as Vice President Technology Students Gymkhana, I will make sure that all information regarding the All Management Center goes to all the students of IIT Kharagpur, be it undergraduate, postgraduate or research scholar students.
If information was not correct, then why they reduced fees? After protest, why they reduced fees? Why will they reduce the fee? This is the follower.
Can you be a little louder, please?
After protest, why the fees was reduced?
I believe that was the action that was taken by the current Vice President Technology Students Gymkhana when he conveyed all the problems that were being faced by the students to the administration. The institute happened to give us subsidy and a number of round-offs which were initially being done were removed, at the end of which the fees was decreased.
Ayush,
social initiative.
Sir, in my third year, I implemented Masumiyat, a social initiative for child rights aimed at improving the holistic development of underprivileged children. I also secured the patronage of UNESCO for this initiative.
Ayush, I have a question for you. There is a big concern between professors that students of IIT Kharagpur are abusing in public places as well as classes. But you, yourself a candidate of vice president, there is a feed on your Facebook account. You have been abusing a person multiple times, and that is still there on Facebook. So you abuse yourself. How do you stop the concern that is between the student community and professors themselves?
Ayush,
If you
have you
have
ever abused anyone on the
you
Facebook?
are in the camera.
Ayush, so please do not make baseless allegations. Ayush, a very simple question. Ayush, a very simple question to you. There have been
Excuse me,
many
there's a particular question going on. You cannot ask in the middle of that.
Ayush, placement is not a big issue for research scholar of IIT Kharagpur. What is your vision for research scholar of IIT Kharagpur?
Sir, after having talked to the research scholar representative to the Institute Senate, Mr. Manas Ranjan Behra, the biggest problem among the research scholar students is the fact that they are unaware of a lot of events that take place under the umbrella of Technology Students Gymkhana. If elected as Vice President Technology Students Gymkhana, my primary focus will be to make sure that the research scholar students are made aware of all the events which are going on in and around the institute. Are you?
What was your major contribution for research scholar of IIT Kharagpur? Ayush, what was your major contribution for research scholar of IIT Kharagpur? Your major contribution, what was for research scholar of IIT Kharagpur? What was your major contribution for research scholar of IIT Kharagpur?
Sir, you must be aware that I have been an integral part of SpringFest for 3 years now, and in each year there have been research scholar students participating in different activities during the final day execution of the fest.
Ayush, can you tell me about your opinion?
So Ayush, please tell us about the Reserve Scholars Sports Meet and Reserve Scholars Cultural Meet. To tell the panelists about the things which are going on for the Reserve Scholars in the institute.
Sir, exactly my point. There have already been a lot of events that have been taken as an initiative by the institute in order to make sure that research scholar students take part in different cultural and activities under the sports and games genre of the institute. For that, there has been a research scholars cultural meet that just took place on the 25th of March, and the research scholars sports meet which took place between the 12th of December and 6th of January 2017.
January 24, which is some of the events were good, but there were a lot of management failures. Accommodation was biggest problem. A lot of events not started on time. You being an event head, how do you justify this, and why has this review not been replied to?
Sir, I believe that for a fest of this big a magnitude, these are certain small glitches that always take place, and the main thing is that every time the organizing team makes sure that all of the things happen on time finally. At least all the events take place, they take place correctly and they end on time.
We are now all the students of IIT Kharagpur know that breakfast timeline always gets delayed. So please state the correct facts on this platform.
Sir, I'm sorry. this is not true. Not all of the events get delayed. Sometimes due to technical issues, a few of the events get delayed. Sir, please let me complete my answer. Sir, that being said, I believe that there are certain glitches that take place for a fest of this big a magnitude.
Ayush, can you tell me about your opinion of the campus group known as Amber? Ayush, can you tell me about your opinion of the campus group known as Amber?
Yes, sir. Amber is a campus support group for the LGBT community. I believe that the duties and the works that they have been doing for the last 1.5 years now is something that is quite appreciable. And if elected as Vice President Technology Students Gymkhana, I shall definitely try and get it registered as a society under the umbrella of Technology Students Gymkhana.
Are you aware of the recent changes that have been made in mess systems in private halls? If you know, can you please brief it? Yes. What is the changes that has been made this semester in the mess system? Are you aware?
And I believe there have been a lot of changes in the entire hall management center to specify to just the private message is something that I am currently not aware of. I believe that I can definitely consult the concerned authorities after the statement of purpose and get back to you.
I would like to ask you that according to the data provided by NIRF or National Institute for Research Framework released by Ministry of Human Resource Development on the 3rd of April this year, Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur stands at 4th in overall ranking but lacks at rank at 16th in the ranking of teaching, learning and research criteria. So where do you think the problem lies and how do you think that this problem can be solved?
But I believe that the rankings of IIT Kharagpur are improving. Also, you must be aware of the global initiative of academic networks, which is aiming at bringing a lot of foreign faculty to the institute, which will boost the rankings. Also, by having the semester away program right now, which has been implemented by the International Relations Cell IIT Kharagpur, a lot of students will now be able to go abroad, and a lot of students from abroad will be now coming to IIT Kharagpur. As a result of which, for definite, it will make sure that the rankings of IIT Kharagpur will be boosted.
Follow-up question. Here I would like to mention that sister IIT like IIT Mandi rank at rank 15, Madras at rank 13, Ropar at rank 20, Guwahati at rank 21, Indore at rank 22, and this problem lies into various problems like faculty and students ratio. So you haven't aware anything about this. You don't know this problem.
I happen to tell you about the global initiative of academic networks, which is aiming to bring in a lot of faculty from abroad to Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur. Also, the administration is working really hard to bring in more number of professors to IIT Kharagpur to improve the students to faculty ratio.
Okay, Ayush, you have already mentioned about your work in Springfest in events, publicity and sponsorship. So can you tell me what were your contribution apart from these facets?
Sir, as I mentioned in my statement of purpose, as part of the media duties that I took place, I got 5 media articles printed in renowned newspapers in Bihar, which included the likes of the Dainik Jagran and the Prabhat Khabar. I also had contact with the web team of Springfest and conducted the online treasure hunt event Labyrinth 6.0 and 7.0. I also conducted and worked with the design team of Springfest and helped in the fest time decorations. So I believe that I worked in a lot of other facets other than events, sponsorship and publicity.
Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence after the basketball match, you were unable to control the borders of your Hall of Residence. How do you take to protest charge of the entire institute?
Sir, firstly, I was not able to control what happened because I was not there. That being said, what happened between Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence and Nehru Hall of Residence was an unfortunate event and it was against the spirit of sportsmanship. I believe that it was not a problem between two halls of residence, but it was a problem of the mentality harboured by a certain fraction of students who seem to think that the institute comes after the hall of residence. I would like to take the platform that the SOAPBOX of the Vice President Technology Students Gymkhana has given me to tell all the students who are seated here today that the institute is what comes first. We should never ever get involved in such violent acts because that affects the name of Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur.
You were here after the first quarter of the basketball match, so don't lie that you were not here. And you could have taken. I had other commitments because of which I had to go after the first quarter.
So Ayush, whatever you have said, great motivational thing that you said. Few minutes back you were talking about foreign training program. I guess you were talking about foreign training program. How many professors?
I was not talking about the foreign training program. I was talking about the global initiative of academic networks.
Agreed. Now I'm talking to you about foreign training program. How many professors from IIT Kharagpur have been registered on that portal? Do you have the number?
I do not happen to know the number, but I know this for a fact that the foreign training program is being done by the International Relations at IIT Kharagpur in collaboration with the Career Development Center. And this is something that is going to definitely boost the rankings of IIT Kharagpur on a global platform.
Follow. Good answer on that. But follow. The number is 0. You should know that. Number is 0.
I believe that the work is just starting. In the near future, it will definitely increase by hundreds. I'm sure of that. Ayush, can you tell me how?
Ayush, you said that you had an internship with the Arthur group in the winters where you should have been working for Springfest. Can you please justify how you did the same?
Sir, it was a big challenge for me having to coordinate wildfires prelims, the Springfest flagship rock band competitions prelims in 5 cities in India and 1 in Kathmandu, Nepal, in addition to discharging my duties as an intern at the corporate economics cell. I managed my time efficiently and learned a lot in the process and efficiently discharged both my duties both as an intern of Aditya Birla Group and as an events head of Springfest. Ayush, can you tell me how the agenda of Institute Senate meeting is decided? I believe that the agenda of the Student Senate is given by any of the student senators who are present there.
Ayush, why should we vote for you? How are you different from other candidates?
Ma'am, it would be wrong on my part to comment upon the candidature of all the other 3 people seated here today. That being said, the Vice President is a person who has prolific communication skills, is a charismatic leader, and is an efficient team player. I believe that I have inculcated in me these 3 qualities over the last 3 years. Thus, the overall experience and outlook developed during my school life and in the past 3 years of my stay at IIT Kharagpur aptly makes it clear that if elected as Vice President Technology Students Gymkhana, I will work for the welfare of the student community of IIT Kharagpur with efficiency, dedication, and utmost sincerity. This is why I should be voted for.
Ayush, why did you not contest for the post of D6 Social?
So thank you for considering me a candidate suitable enough for the post of General Secretary Social and Cultural. I wish to contest for the post of General Secretary Social and Cultural, but due to a knee ligament injury, I was not present in the institute campus for almost 1 month, because of which I was not able to file in the nomination.
Ayush, can you tell us about the Vision 2020 and how do you plan to contribute to that vision in case you are elected as Vice President?
So as per Vision 2020 from the year 2012, IIT Kharagpur aims to be in the top 20 colleges in the next 20 years. If elected as Vice President Technology Students Gymkhana, I plan to initiate a lot of different activities in which students can be working on the research front in order to improve the standings of the IIT Kharagpur on a global platform. This will definitely help us achieve the Vision 2020 as soon as possible.
What is your motivation towards becoming the Vice President of IIT Kharagpur?
Ma'am, I have already stated in my statement of purpose, the Vice President is a person who is a prolific communicator, a charismatic leader, and an efficient team player. I have inculcated these 3 qualities in me over the past 3 years. I thus feel that it is my duty to give back to the student community, and this is the main reason why I am contesting here today for the post of Vice President Technology Students Gymkhana.
Ayush, you say that you are
a charismatic leader, but I want to comment on one thing. Like, Chemistry has not been conducted since past few years. So what were the reasons behind this? And as a responsible student of chemical engineering department, why did you not take any steps personally to reinstate this? Why you?
First of all, I was not a part of Chem Insight. However, I've always tried and improved the name of the chemical engineering department, which is evident from my statement of purpose. The research that I did as a student of the Department of Chemical Engineering, IIT Kharagpur, is going to be presented at the 10th World Congress of Chemical Engineering to be held in Barcelona, Spain in October 2017.
Let me go to proposals. Proposal 1, improving medical facilities of Vedant Chandra Roy Technology Hospital. I propose to improve the current scenario of Vedant Chandra Roy Technology Hospital by implementing certain measures that will not only improve the quality of medical treatment provided by the hospital, but also make it convenient for the entire KGP community. Proposal 2, integration of counseling center. I propose to introduce counseling sessions, seminars and activities scheduled throughout the year to be carried out by the counseling center. These will be aimed at solving the problems faced by students who are academically weak, have very low attendance, or are involved in any disciplinary actions in addition to problems related to stress, anxiety, depression, etc. I also propose to start a student counseling committee that will work under the counseling center. Proposal 3, Student Buddy Program. I propose to start a Student Buddy Program for the postgraduate students, a program through which 4th year dual degree undergraduate students and senior postgraduate second years will act as guides for junior postgraduate students and will help them in their placement preparations and involvements in the extracurricular activities which are run by Technology Students Gymkhana. Proposal 4, recording of laboratory experiments. Proposal 4, recording of laboratory experiments. I propose to help students of IIT Kharagpur by introducing videos of the laboratory in the academics curriculum, which the students can get access to through the Moodle. This will be issued to all the laboratories in the institute where the professors in charge would coordinate with the Moodle team. Proposal 5, overnight food canteen and stationery shop. I propose to start an overnight staff canteen and stationery and Xerox shop in the strategic locations of the campus. The staff canteen as well as the stationery shop will be strategically located on the campus, will remain open 24/7 and accessible easily to the community of the institute. I'll be discussing Proposal 1 and 2 in detail. Proposal 1, improving medical facilities of Vedant Chandra Roy Technology Hospital. Problems: lack in the number of certain specialists in some particular fields. Lack of medical information with students leading to negligence of early symptoms of disorders. Solutions/proposals. I propose, number 1, I propose to ensure a proper appointment with any specialist doctor for any student in the campus by taking following measures. More specialist doctors in each and every department in the hospital to ensure an appointment for everyone. Creation of a slot booking portal that will be integrated into the ERP where the student, staff and professors can book their slot of appointment beforehand. 2. I propose to ensure good health for all students by taking the following measures. Annual free full body checkup for all students to avoid any medical problems due to negligence. The full body checkup will cover the health parameters as mentioned in the annexure. The full body checkup will be organized by the concerned medical organization in association with BC Roy Hospital doctors every week and will be mandatory for all students. The cost of the full body checkup, which is estimated to be around Rs 2,000 per person, will be borne through student insurance services. This will be done in association with Dr. Lal, Path Labs, Kolkata. And number 3, an emergency, easy to remember hotline number of BC Roy. The number will be 911.
We can move on to it.
So Ayush, it was a very good proposal. So do you have any kind of demo regarding the slot booking mechanism? Can we have it for the panelists?
Yes, sir, we can have it for the panelists. Let's have the tabs be distributed. Alright, you'll find the login page of the BC Roy Technology Hospital portal. Please sign in using the following details. Roll number 14CH10018. I repeat, 14CH10018. The password shall be all in small, BC Roy Portal. BCROYPORTAL. Once you do that, since this shall be integrated with the ERP upon implementation of proposal, all students will have access to it through their own user details. Just to clear this out. Once you get into the portal, there will be 5 doctor with specialization 1, doctor specialization 2, doctor specialization 3, doctor specialization 4, and doctor specialization 5. You can click on any one of them. Let's click on doctor specialization 2.
Ayush, yes. Should the panelists select different doctors and different slots? Because one slot can't be available to all the panelists. Can you please tell them to do
Yes,
that?
they can of course take any slot which is preferable. Of course, after selecting your doctor, the next tab which opens is the student 14CH1008. Book your slot. In that you can definitely book whichever slot you wish to be a part of. After that, you click on book now. Alright, once you click on book now, your slot has been booked and you will get a Gmail inbox confirmation. So,
Ayush,
Yeah.
just for constituent time, I think the people do have a good understanding. Let's move on to the next question.
oh,
Ayush, one basic question. Since BC Roy Hospital is a government hospital and any citizen can avail the services of BC Roy, so can they also access this portal? And if not, I have serious doubt whether BC Roy can parallelly run both the use both the current model and this portal.
so thank you for your suggestion. What I feel is at least let's start with the students of IIT Kharagpur first on a pilot scale. Once that happens, I believe that anything can happen. It's not going to be an issue trying to work hard on this.
I understand your gesture, student community, but as a citizen of this country, I believe and for the welfare of all the people in this country, I believe this step would create problems for them.
So I believe that you need to believe differently. I believe that certain things can be happen if you actually work hard towards it. And this is something I'm really passionate about it. And I'm definitely going to make sure that certain things do take place for all the people in Kharagpur, not just the students but all the inhabitants as well.
So Ayush, I would like to inform you about the exact problem. The problem is that the access to the doctors is to all the students, the general body, the professors who are sitting here, the administrators, the people who are working in different mess. Each and everyone is a responsible person and uses the facility. At the same time, if we make such a portal, there are 20 number of appointments taken by a doctor in one day, and we divide it some number of students, some number of professors, some number of workers, so that each and everyone gets the access. And when a person stands there in line, it tells in a way that that person requires the facility at the very urgent urgent moment. He requires it at that point of time, and that's how we evaluate that how the urgency is taken care of. Otherwise, if you go for an online portal, how will these workers get an access, or will be like 20 all the appointments will be taken by the workers only, and how the student community will be getting served from this?
Alright sir, what I feel is, what can be done is, if you have an emergency situation, people will be trying to accommodate in that slot in which probably earlier a student of IIT Kharagpur has booked in. And somehow if you can manage to get that slot pushed to the next slot, after mutual agreement between both the parties involved, which is BCRA Technology Hospital and the student, I don't think there should be any difficulty.
That's what I was telling you, Ayush. The problem is like if we have 20 slots.
I agree sir, but I need, what I'm
Let
trying
me
to
complete my question. Let me complete my question. So I was telling like if we have 20 slots, 10 are given to students, 5 to professor, 5 to worker. So that each and everyone gets the access. So that otherwise like what will happen if the students will not get the access, all the workers are getting, students are facing the problem.
So the final aim is to have it accessible to all inhabitants of Kharagpur. What I'm trying to say is at least let's start with the students of IIT Kharagpur. If possible and feasible, we are going to make sure that it's going to be possible for all the inhabitants of Kharagpur.
Ayush, here. So, you propose to start an emergency number and a portal, website portal. So, this is something that you are going to do for one entire year, just to start dial-up 911 and a website. So, this is proposal one of a vice president candidate. This can be done in
Sir, please do not mean the proposal one which I have had. I believe that I have been myself involved in an accident which I told you in my second year.
I'm not asking that. I'm saying
it is very important.
this is the work of
health
one
comes first. It is more important than any other thing for a student of IIT Kharagpur. Please try and respect that fact.
I'm respecting the fact. I'm just asking.
You are not respecting the fact. You just said how the I am saying that health should be the first thing that a vice president candidate should be thinking about. And please try and appreciate this.
On your proposal 3, okay, you did not mention.
Sir, I'm actually currently discussing proposal 1. We'll be discussing proposal 1, proposal 2, and then I'll come back to you.
First of all, thank you Ayush for walking me through this portal. So it would become handy. But I would like to tell you, first of all, I feel sorry that you were in an accident. But few months back, I had my stitches in my mouth. And there I wasn't given anesthesia also, basic anesthesia, in the basic hospital.
So that is exactly why I want to have specialist doctors who make sure that the treatment that is given out presently by the Students Gymkhana Technology Hospital is approved. Because as I said, health comes over anything else.
That's pretty much good what you are saying. You didn't listen to my question. My question is, how will you bring the specialist? This is my question. You didn't mention that.
Sir, I mentioned Awaaz, Kolkata. I've already talked to them, and this is something that can be done. They shall be coming here and doing a regular checkup on that. As for specialist doctors also, I have consulted them. I believe it can be done. Yes. Oh, alright sir, it's the correction to that statement. The specialist doctor shall also be coming from the Dr. Lal Awaaz, Kolkata.
Once again, we'll not take any more questions on this proposal. If you want to move to the other proposals, then we can move on to that. Because there's a time crunch.
Alright, proposal 2, integration of counseling center. Objective, to ensure good mental health in addition to physical well-being for all students during their stay at IIT Kharagpur, which will lead to less number of cases of depression, suicide. Alright, so since there was a time constraint, I'll just be mentioning the objective of the counseling center. To ensure good mental health in addition to physical well-being for all students during their stay at IIT Kharagpur, which will lead to less number of cases of depression, suicides, and better well-being of students. The details of which are already mentioned in the document that has been provided to you.
Can you please tell us the events and the benefits of this proposal?
Sure, sir. The events which will be conducted under this are a seminar will be conducted at the start of every semester as a part of the extra academic activity. Apart from this, an event, fun activity will also be conducted every semester. The formulation of the events and seminars will be done by the student counseling committee members under the guidance of counselors and professor in charge before the start of the semester. The seminars and events will be aimed at helping students in dealing with stress, anxiety, anger and other problems in day-to-day life. The benefits of the same are the counseling center will become more accessible and students will be more comfortable to visit the counseling center. It will help to prevent suicides by dealing with possible cases at a very earlier stage. The social and psychological health of students in campus will improve. It will help to keep a check on the unnecessary bunking of classes by students. The average academic performance of students will improve.
Ayush, given the scale of this problem, would you be open to increasing the size of the student counseling committee that you have proposed? Since just 3 students to deal with the problems of the entire campus seems a bit less. So would it be possible to increase the number of this particular committee?
Sir, there will be 3 students per department. I believe it's missing in this document, but it's going to be 3 students per department, so there's going to be no issue in the manpower.
Ayush, instead of creating a new cell, why don't you add on to the responsibilities of SWG? Do you think that they are not appropriate people or appropriate point of concern when it comes to counseling center?
Absolutely not, sir. I believe that the student welfare group has been working tremendously well this year. Sir, I am saying that the 3 council members of the student counseling committee can also be a part of student welfare group. By restricting to just student welfare group, all those students who want to help the students of IIT Kharagpur won't be getting that chance.
Can you just tell me how are you proposing that all of these students of the selection students counseling committee get selected?
Sir, a student counseling committee of 3 students will be formed as a part of counseling center. They will be trained with basic knowledge of counseling treatment by the counselors of counseling center to help out in the process. Alright sir, the operation of the entire proposal is, at the beginning of each semester, a meeting of all the students who are academically weak as per the UG rules and regulations will be arranged with their respective faculty advisor who will recommend the students to the counseling center based on the reasons provided for low academic performance. Every semester, after the end of the mid-semester examination, a list of students who have attendance lower than 30% or missed an examination will be prepared. The same procedure as mentioned above will be followed for these students.
I think it's already mentioned in the proposal. Let's move on to the last question. Just one last question.
The last question is that Ayush, this proposal is very good. You clearly mentioned it, but I just want to add one thing. So the student community that will be consisted of 3 people. They will be PG students because I don't think they suffer from this depression because you haven't mentioned them in the proposal.
They can be any 3 students, irrespective of whether they are undergraduate, postgraduate or research scholar.
Ayush, my only question is why you are missing PG student in your proposal?
Happy to have one entire proposal for PG students. In this also, I just mentioned students of IIT Kharagpur. There has been no mention of undergraduate, postgraduate or research scholar. So I believe that you are kind of differentiating yourself between the undergraduate and the postgraduate students. I have no such kind of a differentiation in my mind.
Let's move on to the next candidate for the next set of proposals. Thank you.
Thank you so much, panelists.